To do this experiment, that is a 7 segment display, you require a 7490 and 7447 and one 7 segment display and 1 kilo ohms resistor and the spark cards. So this 741 you should always place at this point only, up to the left extreme corner. If you are placing somewhere here, then you have to use somewhere these knobs. So therefore we will be using this one. Required for the 7 segment is 7490, 7447 and 7 segment display, 1 kilo ohm resistor. So this 7 segment should be always kept at the extreme corner and this resistor should be kept at the extreme right corner. Place it properly and lock it. So therefore, so here how many will be there? Here 8 pins, here 8 pins will be there. Here 5 pins and here 5 pins will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this resistor end is acting as this one and this resistor end is acting as this. Now we will do the connections according to the circuit diagram. So 6 and 7 is going for ground. 6 and 7 is going for ground. Next 2 and 3 is also going for ground. Next 14 is going for clock. This 14 we have to give it for clock. Then 5 is going for VCC. NC means not connected. Next 12, 11, 10, 9. So in that 10 is going for ground. 8 is going for 2 of this IC. 9 is going for 1 of this IC. 11 is going for 6 of this IC. 12 is going for 7 of this IC. 14 I have already connected for ground. Next 8 of this IC, 8 of the second IC, that is 7447 is going for ground. Next 16 is going for VCC. 15 is going for F. So for F, we'll see the pin configuration of 7 segment display. So this is the pin configuration of 7 segment display. So 15 is going for F. What is F? F is nothing but 9. So it is already written here. So 15 is going for 9. This is 9. Next 14 is going for 10. 13 is going for 7. 12 is going for 6. 11 is going for 4. 10 is going for 2. 9 is going for 1. Now resistor is also connected. So to that resistor, one end of the resistor should be connected to 16. One end of the resistor is being connected to 16. And another end of the resistor should be connected to either 3 or 8. So I will connect it for 8. So after connecting the resistor, so these two ends will be acting as the resistor points. So one end of the resistor should go for 16 and another end of the resistor should go for 3 or 8. I have connected for 3. Now how to realize this circuit is, turn on the switch and you have to give the clock. So it is already showing 6. So 7, 8, 9. After 9 again you will get 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this and this should match. At least if this is not proper means here you have to get a proper count from 0 to 9.